Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to clean the drain pump filter. The drain pump filter collects threads and small objects that may have been accidentally left in closed pockets. We recommend you clean out the drain pump filter at least once a month. And here is how to clean it. First, turn off the washing machine. Also make sure it is empty and drained of any visible water in the tub. The drain pump filter is located at the bottom in the front of your washing machine. Open the cover. Then pull out the drain tube. Remove the drain plug at the end of the tube. Proceed by draining the water into a shallow pan or basin. Make sure you don't misplace the drain plug. Some excess water may flow out, so place a towel under the drain cap. Slowly unscrew the drain cap counterclockwise and pull it out. Drain the remaining water and remove all objects and wash any debris from the filter. After you have finished cleaning, carefully reinsert the filter and screw the drain cap back in clockwise carefully to avoid cross-threading and leakage. Next, reinsert the plug back into the drain tube and place the tube back into its holder. Lastly, close the door and you're all done. It is a good idea to check the filter regularly and keep it clean to make sure your washing machine keeps running smoothly. Thank you for using LG washing machines.